just started the car because I'm gonna need it. But in my last 2 weeks or so of COVID, I have deliveries. What could it be? Hey guys, what's going on? Bringing in an update today on a bunch of different things and a bunch of different cars. So I'm gonna go into everything details wise, what's going on. But this month we are not doing the giveaway. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, so what's going on for this month is we're not doing a giveaway. Reason being, I just got over COVID for the last 2.5 weeks. I had a lingering cough, and so my symptoms were really high fever, like 101, that's it. I had chills, and I had a cough. So other than that, I did lose my smell by day 2 or 3, my taste by day 2 or 3, and I gained it back about 6 days to 8 days later. Wasn't really fun. I didn't have any problems breathing whatsoever. But with that being said, I am not doing the giveaway this month. So I'm having my house fully cleaned and fully sterilized with the power of Pine Sol. No, just kidding. We're going to do Lysol. We're going to spray everything down. We're going to spray the whole house down and, you know, just have it thoroughly cleaned by another person. So we're not going to do the giveaway today. So updates, I do have the car, the one that I'm currently in. Going to be doing the steering rack replacement very, very shortly. And we're going to swap the lower control front arms to GT500 style. The reason being they're much more durable and they're a lot stronger and or beefier. I'm going to have pictures in the video once I have them swapped out. And I guess with that also being said, the car will be ready to go. So I have my buddy flying in. We're going to do a project video and or video on the car where we're swapping some stuff. So you guys are going to see full install of what's going on, the car, and the supporting modifications. Other than that, the V6 is still not working with me. So I'm going to be sending the car off to my buddy. He's going to review all the wiring harnesses, make sure everything's plugged in, make sure everything has enough juice, everything is where it's supposed to be, and we'll find out what the actual issue is, if there is one. I actually also had plans to buy another car, and after some information not being fully straight and up forward or up front about it, I had to pass on it, which sucks because the car would have been a V6 with a GT500 swap, a built 6R80 and 315 rear wheel gears, and the car was approximately tuned to 570 horsepower. It was a beast of a car, but it's just the title was salvaged and there was too many unknowns about the whole thing. So we're not going to go forward with that car, and we're going to continue working on the V6 and getting it up to snuff. That's pretty much it for today's video. So keep watching and stay tuned on the channel, guys. So we'll see you later. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.